It's too nice to stay home, so let's DoorDash. First order Pony Express. Have a good day.
Have a good one.
Oh, yeah! Then I had new china. Hey, it's going to my neighbor. Hello, neighbor. And thank you. Bathroom break. Next order was Hacienda, and I dropped it off. Wee! Then I had an order for Zaxby's. It's going down by the river, which is kind of strange. It said, walk past the third tree and find the train. Oh, okay, I found the train. I guess I'll set it on the steps? They must be really hungry. Wow! $65 in 2 hours!